Okay, so the party continues. See, I still have the balloons down in the basement. Same way. This carpet has not been vacuumed with my new Bissell, so I'm going to do that right now. And also, by the time I'm starting to vacuum, you can also press subscribe, like, share. So here we go. Empty as usual. Allow me to tell. Okay, here we go. Let's see what goes in the vacuum. I could hear it picking up. Okay, let's see what we got so far. That's just right here. Right here. And, sorry. Look at all that fine dirt at the side. Okay, let's continue. Looks so beautiful. I could still hear it picking up. let's see what's in there so far. That's all that got picked up so far. Look at that. But it left some nice groom lines. I have another carpet rolled up here that I'm going to place on the floor and vacuum out. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, this is the second one I just put down. So we're going to vacuum over it. Okay, let's see how much came out of the 2 vacuums. And this is like the second time this vacuum has been used for my demo. But look at all of this. Let me get a good look. That's how much dirt. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to use this black carpet to show you how much dirt it picked up. See, oh, there it goes, clear as the day. Wow. Wow. Look at that. And this is the reason why we need to vacuum all the time. We don't know all of this is hidden in our carpets. So I'm going to vacuum it back up. And then I'm going to get to a request that was sent to me to pop the balloons and vacuum it up. So here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to do a short vacuum up because I'm running out of time. So here we go. I stomped on one right here because I wanted to know if I could really do this. So yeah, I'm going to stomp on it, but my socks ain't all that, but next time I'll probably try with high heels. What do you think? But here we go. That's one. Let's go for another one. Let's try another one. Okay, so if you want to see more vacuum videos like that, I think I need to get my daughter in this video so she can stomp on it and I vacuum it. What do you think? But please like, share, and subscribe. So that was just a little demo. More to come later.